All right, I have a new one to unbox for you. 11 and the Demogorgon, number 727. Picked this one up at Hot Topic. Not sure if anybody else has them yet. I haven't seen them anywhere else anyway. All right, so let me see if I can get this so you can see 11's eyes. So it's plastic. There we go. And she's pushing the Demogorgon, of course, through the chalkboard. Speaker on the wall. The clock says it's 10:02. I'll have to go back and look and see if that's what the clock said on the show. So he is definitely vinyl as well. She's got her blood behind her ear, or coming out of her ears. And the camera isn't focusing. Usually focuses if it has a face to focus on, so let's give it a face. Her eyes look hella creepy. Gotta love her chucks and her cool gym socks. And I don't know why it won't focus on her. It wants to focus on the table. All right, and then we have the detailing in the wall. They should have made it black behind him though, but it's not. All right, so that's it. There it is. Netflix Funko Pop LLC 2018. Pow. All that fun stuff. All right, that's it, guys. Go out into the world and make it a better place.